I am going to rant on Rick and Morty 336 Nature Cat 909. You know what? I am you saying this voice. 12 minutes later. Done. Now time to watch it. Rick and Morty 336 Nature Cat 909. More like bitch and penis 123 Nature Tom 456. Oh my god. This user sucks. This user makes videos on YouTube. He makes grounded videos, gameplay videos, reaction videos, rant videos, salute videos, plotagon videos, go animate videos, ungrounded videos, and more. He makes grounded videos out of Rosie, Nature Cat, Nano, Kiko, Franklin the Turtle, Darren, HAL, Luigi, and worst. He makes grounded videos out of me. He likes users that I hate. Like Joey the Animator, Bluey, Max the Animator, Aziz, Diamond Counter, Super Yoshi Anthony, Paper Mario Animate, Awesome Yeb, Awesome Gamer 999, Stephen Nguyen, The Flashing Fan 500, CT Cool, Michael the Beyond Guy, also known as Mikiko, Amazing Tulu 300, IT Mez, IT Mez Studio, IT Mez 2, Bojack 69, Ian Gaming, Pip Pip, Brian Kaukas, Rainboy 107, Canadian Scout, Isaac Anderson Animations, Pete Hunt 3535, SSLPRSTD Nico D Kate Animate, Runner 97, Nova Animate, Neo the Gamer, and more. And he hates user that I like are Dr. Manhole UTTPTHDTC Moises UTTP James Parker, and more. He likes shows that I hate. Like Rick and Morty, Nature Cat, Gumby, Pig Plus Cat, South Park, and more. And he hates shows that I like are Hamtaro, Ovite and the Gang, Gone, 64 Zulane, Block 13, and more. I hope this user gets terminated soon. Do you know WHO likes this user? Max the Animator, Bojack 69, IT Mez, IT Mez Studio, IT Mez 2, Brian Kaukas, Ian Gaming, and more. And do you know WHO hates this user? Me, Clyde, Rosie, Ronald, Miley, James Parker, Nature Cat, Nano, Kiko, Franklin the Turtle, HAL, Luigi, and more. So Rick and Morty 336 Nature Cat 909 sucks. And so does IT Mez. James Parker is one group of zeros times better than Rick and Morty 336 Nature Cat 909. End of rant. Oh. Morty, how dare you rant on Rick and Morty 336 Nature Cat 909. That's it. You're grounded for days. Go to your room right fucking now. Wah.